Hrithik Roshan, Farhan Akhtar, Shahid Kapoor and others attended the press conference of IFA Awards 2014 at a multiplex in Mumbai. Have a look.
Ladies and gentlemen, this 15th IFA is going to be the best IFA that we have ever seen in the past 15 years. It is. Thank you for giving my industry and my people such a magnificent platform to reach out. You add growth to our cinema. It's such a powerful vehicle to gain entry into such new markets. I mean, we can't be more thankful to you and your vision. Thank you so much for that. And IFA is all about fun, so I'm really looking forward to a whole load of fun. Thank you for being such magnificent hosts, for being the most well-organized, the most efficient, and just, you guys are just great, man. I mean, I look forward to IFA. I've got a chance now after, I don't know how many years I've been trying to be a part of IFA, and finally, I have the chance now, the opportunity, and I am going to take it, and I'm going to make it good. We're going to have lots of fun. Tampa Bay, are you ready? Because we are coming very soon. See you then.
Honestly, very, very excited to see Hrithik perform. I haven't seen him for very long perform on stage. No, I'm serious. I mean, he is, for me, the best dancer in the industry right now. Honestly, I have seen his work. I remember seeing his first film, and I remember seeing especially Koi Mil Gaya and feeling like I'm such a shit actor. and very, very excited to be hosting with Farhan. I was really, I felt very lonely last year without him. And I sent him a message saying, why are you not hosting this year? Because honestly, the kind of content that he came up with when we hosted last year, I think that was the most fun I had hosting an award function. And it was a lot to do with the fact that we were hosting together. And I mean, he's a fantastic mind, and he takes out so much time. And it was so much fun that we had on stage, and it's an awesome memory that I have. So very excited to be hosting again. It's the 15th year for IFA, which is fantastic. They've been doing better every year.
It's very exciting to be back hosting IFA with Shahid again. It is true, we had a great time a couple of years ago when we hosted it together. They're very fond memories. Congratulations, of course, to the entire Wizcraft team.
How do I plan to surprise? Well, I will again dance like no one's watching in a better way, with more energy.
My favorite host has been Shahid. Has been my favorite host.
How surprising is that?
Yeah, he told me this question may be asked earlier, so I told him that I would give this answer when I was asked. But no, I did enjoy watching Baman and Ritesh as well. In all honesty, I think they did a good job. And of course, I had a great time hosting with Shahid. So I can watch him. I couldn't really watch myself, so I'll say Shahid.
Yeah, I mean, obviously Farhan is the best host ever.
When you repeat it so many times now, it starts to sound a little not true.
You're the best dancer ever.
Sachi baat ab baar aa rahi hai.
Only thing that they were really happy about was that the show was about 3.5 hours, as opposed to 6 or 6.5, when people are pretty much dying and they don't know where to go and pee sometimes, and they enter random actors' vans and they're just like, can I please just pee, because I've been holding it like for 5 hours.
In fact, you end up questioning existence altogether.
And with Farhan having won every Best Actor award this year, there's nobody more than him who's had to sit through all the shows, and being as you know, he's extremely dedicatedly on time all the time.
But right about now, I am seriously only looking forward to Shahid's reaction when I am dancing. You better stick to your word, dude. All right?
Yeah, bro, I promise.
Yeah. Apart from that, Sabas, I really want to see you dance this time. You know, I know that you can shake to that boogie. I've seen you at times after the event is over, you know, somewhere in the corner, when the lights are dim. This time I want you on stage, baby, with all of us.
Done.